Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been really requested for me to film another video. It's just been a while since I could get my roommates both out of the house at the same time. Because as many of you know, I'm way too embarrassed to film around them. So today, my roommate's in class and I had to text her and be like, don't come home. And she's like, what? And she still doesn't know what's going on. And she probably thinks I'm just gonna like hook up with someone in the room for some reason, because like I was just like, don't come home, like please don't come home, it's not that important, but don't come home, everything's okay. And she was like, okay. So anyways, we just have a little bit of time to film this, but I just wanted to get another video up for you guys. You just narrowly missed me digging through my laundry to find my one clean sports bra. That's not really that clean, it's sweaty, but here it is. Just another day in the life. So this video is going to be an apartment tour. This is our new apartment. Unfortunately, I couldn't give an apartment tour of Willis, which is where we used to live. I probably shouldn't say that out loud. Somebody might stalk me, all my fans. But we moved. I'm not going to say where we live now. Haha. But just give me one sec. Need to clean a little. I've missed you guys, you know? Like, it's been a long time. Wow, what a good angle. Okay. Let's get into the video. Let's make sure things don't look crappy first. This is good. This is good footage. Okay. All right. Here we go. Welcome. All right. So you walk in and you can pretty much see everything, but we're going to start in this corner. This is our recycling and grocery bag corner. A really good corner. This is my favorite corner of the house. It also stores our cart that we use for groceries that we got for free, our phone that doesn't work, and this, which is just full of wires. So that's like fun in there. This is fun in here. Then next you can see we have the bathroom. Here's the mirror. Hello. And then you open the door and then you walk in and you turn on the light and it doesn't light up. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so dark in here. So if you need to use the bathroom, you have to turn on the light like 10 minutes before. So you have to like be ready to know that you have to use the bathroom in 10 minutes, turn on the light, then come in, you're all set, you're fine. Another thing you need to remember to do is pull the door all the way closed, or else when you're peeing, it will just open on you. This has happened to me multiple times. So you're locked in this small, dark, enclosed space, but it's lovely in here. We got a shower curtain that we brought. We came in here and we saw a white shower curtain, and I'm gonna talk to you over here because I can't turn the camera around. So we saw a white shower curtain, and then mysteriously, like a few hours later, it was this one. And me and Catherine were like, what happened to the shower curtain that was here? Wasn't there one here? And we just have never been able to answer that question. So yeah, that's good. We have the sink. We have this really gross cabinet. Looks like somebody puked rust in there. And look at this cute little soap. It's a bunny. And then the toilet, Catherine's little things there. All of our towels. We like to be diverse when it comes to towels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's also really echoey in here. Okay, see how much brighter it is? Now we're all set. We can use the bathroom now. All right, let's go on to the next room. You come in, this is Tracy and Catherine's room. I didn't really get permission to film in here, but hopefully that's okay with them. Behind the door is Catherine's scratch-off map that I got her. Then you can see just their beds. general disarray. Love that. Love it in here. There's some oats under the bed, you know, in case you need a midnight snack. They have their blinds drawn, so it's kind of dark in here. This is Tracy's corner. I wish she were here to tell you more about it. Then you come over to the shoes, and I wish I had filmed this like yesterday because they just got a shoe rack, but before, it was just all of these shoes in the shoe rack, which you can hardly see because it's so dark in here, just piled on top of each other on the ground. And I would come in here and just like want to cry. It was so stressful. I don't know how they did it, but they lived for a few days with that, and now they have a shoe rack, so things are much better. That's Tracy's bed. She got some art up there. Closet. This beautiful art. Shameless plug for Catherine on Society 6. All right, now on to the good stuff. So this is the main area. As you can see, it's more of an open concept, which is really what we were looking for. Hang on, this is better. I'm just gonna show you things like this. So as you can see, it's a much more open concept than our last place, which we were excited about. By the way, fun fact, you can hear everything that goes on in this building, so probably everybody outside can hear me filming this, which is just good stuff. Okay, so let's go over to the kitchen. Here's the fridge. As you can see, it's a little less, well, nobody could tell from before, but it's a little, if you were at our old place, it's less overwhelming than our fridge before. We got shout out to Noah right here. We have some art. I'm covering up our address. And then here's all our friends that have been over to our apartment. Not our new one, but our old one. Shout out to everybody that's on here. If you haven't been over, come over and then you can get your picture on the fridge. Then we have some more stuff on the side. This really weird poem that this guy wrote for us when we were at the SOA Winter Market. It's really bad. And I paid him $10 for it. Like, somebody tell me why I did that. So the kitchen we had some trouble with because, first of all, there's a lot less storage. Second of all, you know, the dishwasher turns on when you go near it. And then also the silverware drawer doesn't open unless the dishwasher's open. But otherwise, it's great. We have just like some drawers, you know. Oh wait, that's a drawer of stuff that I don't know, but you have the essentials, like our coffee maker. There's my coffee maker. We have like our fruit, our kitchen speaker. Thanks to Maurice, he got that for us, for me. But like, yeah, the cabinets just like have been confusing because, oh, this is such a bad angle. It's just like, it's hard to look at, you know? And like our parents organized this and they did like a really weird job of putting stuff just all over the place. Like there were probably like 7 different opened bags of chocolate just like everywhere. It was so weird. I don't know why that happened. But it did. Anyways. Okay, so then here's the dishwasher. It's a good dishwasher. It's hypersensitive, you know? It like gets overstimulated a lot. And then as you can see, this is how far our drawer opens. So if you wanna like get in there, you have to kind of be like have a bendy, flexible arm. Luckily I do. Here's some cookies that I made to give to our neighbors. But I go over there and I knock on a door and nobody's home. So then there's somebody in the hallway and I'm like, hey, do you want a cookie? And they're like, do they have weed in them? And I'm like, no. And they're like, oh yeah, great. So like that was a good interaction. Then I knock on the next door and the guy opens it and I'm like, hey, do you want a cookie? And he starts to say no thanks. But at the same time, I start to say, I live next door and I made too many, which was my spiel. And he was gonna say yes, because who would say no to a cookie? And he just like was like, no thanks. And I was like, okay, bye. It was so awkward. So we had like one good interaction, one bad one, but maybe we'll try again and make some friends because that worked really well in our last place. Oh yeah, above the sink is our window. We like to just have a beautiful view of the ocean and the cliffs when we wash our dishes because like who doesn't like that? That's pretty much all that's of interest in the kitchen, I would say. So we'll move on to the next room. Our dining room, which is also Catherine's makeup room. Yeah, there's not much to say about it. It has some decoration. Strawberry Boobs makes an appearance. Oh, I probably won't get paid for this video because there's nudity. Great. Just kidding, I don't get paid. But yeah, as you can see, everything you need for dining: makeup, salt, a computer. Okay, so then we move into the living room. This room is probably my favorite room because it's so cozy. I'll do like a nice little pan over. Here we go. The setup was really different when we got here, but we had to make room for the TV, so we changed it and made it like this, and I really like it. So starting here, we have our spare chair, which our spare 2 chairs for when we have people over. We have Catherine's sweatshirt for when she wants it. Up here we have the Grey's Anatomy family tree. Shout out to everybody who shows up to TGIT every week. You guys are the real homies. This is 4.0. There were 3 versions before this, but there needs to be more after because I forgot a lot of people. But yeah, my proudest achievement. So then we come down here and we have our beautiful little setup on here. I love this picture of the pies. Some friends, some scissors. This is our speaker shelf. Magazines. That's all our artwork that we can fit on our walls. Let us know how we fit that on our walls last time because we do not know how all of that went up. Tools and a menorah. Then we have our umbrella. We have our TV computer. Shout out to For My Dell. Then here you can see we have some nice artwork. Also, here's all the stuff that's down here. That glass jar right there is where I keep all the pennies I've collected, and on the street that I found on the street. Here's a new one from today. I'm gonna add it to the collection. Nice. That's a painting that I did. That's, yeah, you can see this. I don't know why I'm telling you what's there. Okay, yeah. This is the chair that nobody's ever gonna use anymore because it's not near the TV. Oh, over here are avocados, and I'm so proud of these babies, and they're just doing so well. Here, I'll turn it to the camera around so that I can show you. So we started growing these, probably the first one was like 2 months ago, maybe less, and that is this one. And let me tell you a little story about it. It was still covered in avocado when I put it in because I let it just sit in a Tupperware for a few days and none of us like bothered to deal with it. But this is one that's doing the best. Look. It has such a long root. I'm so proud of it. It's gonna freaking grow and be a tree. And let's see if another one has rooted today because this one looks like it's getting really close. Nope. Oh, something's coming, but it's not there yet. Anyways, this is where the majority of our cups are, which is unfortunate because we don't have cups. So I don't know what to say about that. That's just too bad. This is the rest of the plant corner though. We have these mums that I bought this weekend. The orchid, of course, which I need to water. We can water her in a second. And our cacti amongst the plants. Chives are a solution. Patriotic corner. This is a lamp. The couch, the coffee table, the cauldron, the infamous cauldron. Back into the dining room. So next, we're gonna go into my room. Here it is. When I first got here, the beds were like, there was one like right there, and then my bed was here, and like I couldn't get into my bed. It was weird. Another weird thing is like, see how this bed and this bed are like the same height? When we got here, this bed was way shorter, and none of us touched it, and then somehow when we moved the room around, the beds were the same height, and we were just like, what the heck? So here's the closet. There's our stuff, our shoes, my posters, my cute little hello sign, my desk. Yeah, I sent home a whole bunch of stuff because there's not really very much storage in here. And this is one of the mirrors. This is the mirror where you check your legs. And then this is the mirror where you check your body. Body looking good. My pictures that I put up, bed. Yeah, there's not much to see here. The one thing I will say is it's been great living here so far, but the best thing about it has been all the new friends that I've made outside because none of them are around right now, but my friends are usually around here and I've been waving to them. Every morning I just wake up, we get up together, We get dressed together, we eat breakfast together, we just hang out all day because they're always there. Anyways, I think that's all for this apartment tour. There's people out there. We can all see everybody on the street. So there's gonna be a lot of fun times had in this apartment. That was weird. Why did I do that? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, this morning when I was getting my shirt out of my closet, I ripped it so hard off that I broke my hanger. So you can tell that I was really excited to go to work today. But it was a beautiful day anyways, so if you guys want like a day in my life vlog, we'll see what we can do about that. I didn't really tell you where anything came from. I'm just realizing which is like the whole main part of an apartment tour usually. Oh well, sorry. Nobody will ever know. Also, I can watch the building that we're going to be living in next year is right across the street, so we can just watch it being built because it's brand new. It's just getting built now. Oh, hang on. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, hang on. My lights. Beautiful. Beautiful setting. Anyways, this video, I just started talking before pressing on. So, I'm a great YouTuber already. Okay, that's all for this video. Comment below what you guys want to see, if you want to do like baking with me or don't have a car, walking with me, sleeping with, no, oh my god, what? I hope you guys can hear this. Yeah, just let me know what you want to see. Maybe we can do like a truth or, I mean, not a truth or dare, what am I saying? A Q&A or something? About what it's like to be in college, be in Boston, like live it up here. Okay, I hate myself, so I'm gonna go. Just kidding, I love myself, but you know, I hate myself right now. I hate these words. Okay, that's really enough. Love you guys, bye.